2 Tango Mike, contact Long Beach Tower, 119.4, good day.
119.4 down for 2 Tango Mike, so long. Long Beach Tower, good morning, Cessna 502 Tango Mike, with you descending out of 3,500 eastbound for landing with Tango.
502 Tango Mike, Long Beach Tower, make straight in, runway 26 left.
Standing for 26 left for 2 Tango Mike.
Terminal 17 Alpha, contact ground.
Ground.
November 2 Tango Mike, runway 26 left, third line, wind call.
Clear to land, runway 26 left for Cessna 2 Tango Mike.
Southwest 467, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, line up and way traffic, landing runway 26 left.
Alright, line up and wait, runway 30, Southwest, 467. Long Beach Tower, 4917 Alpha, holding short 26 left, lost foot traffic.
Terminal 4917 Alpha, Long Beach, standby, landing traffic. Number 690 traffic will be holding position, I'll call base.
The caller rate 690.
November 17 Alpha, runway 26 left, line up and way traffic downwind.
Line up and wait 26 left, 17 Alpha.
Southwest 467, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 30, Southwest 467.
Cessna 2 Tango Mike, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 26 left for Cessna 2 Tango Mike.
November 2 Tango Mike, the left 270 is approved, just cross all runways midfield at 1,500, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Left 270 is approved, cross runway, all runways at 1,500, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff for 2 Tango Mike.
Cessna 3524 Lima, Long Beach Tower, standby.
Oh, Tower, Cat 91, the brake quarter, Tango 26 left.
Cavity 91, Long Beach Tower, left traffic, runway 26
That's
left.
good, there's the airspeed.
Left traffic, Cat 91. Long Beach Tower, citation 279 Delta, down West Island 30.
Citation 279 Delta, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear to land.
Land number 30, citation 279 Delta.
November 24 Lima, I'll call your cross and turn for traffic inbound, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, fuel caller, crossing 247.